In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a calendar in monday.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so a calendar in monday.com is useful for keeping track of tasks, deadlines, meetings, projects, and other important dates all in one place. So the first thing what we need to do is create or open a board. So I'm going to go ahead and open up an existing board. And I've just opened this up in a new tab to make it easier. Then from there, we need to go ahead and add date or timeline information. So your board needs date or a timeline column for monday.com to know when items should appear on the calendar. Now, if you don't have one, we can go ahead and click on add column, add a due date or a timeline. So I'm going to add a timeline too. So I'm going to say set dates here, 1st, 15th, and then I might set more dates here on the next month, just for this demo. So the 1st to the 30th, like so. Then from here, we want to also add the view calendar. So click on the plus icon. So click on the plus icon and then search for calendar. Here it is here, add that. So we can add the calendar. Now, another thing what we can do is click on where it says main table, click on the plus icon, click onto calendar. And now that's going to go ahead and add a calendar so we can view it in the calendar. So if we go ahead and click on back, we can see everything in July, August, September, etc. Now inside the calendar here, we can go ahead and add new tasks. We can add widgets, we can search, we can filter board by person. We've got filters here as well. And if we click onto a date, we can go ahead and add more information. So we can add a new item, put it in to do, completed, etc. The owner, status, due date, and all that good stuff.